This video will demonstrate how to view and manage your keyboard shortcuts within LiveCount. To begin, click the Settings link in the lower left-hand corner, and under User Settings, click Keyboard Shortcuts. A list of all available keyboard shortcuts will be displayed. The New Annotations group refers to annotations which can be drawn within LiveCount. To modify a shortcut key, simply click into the field and enter in a new value. If you enter in a duplicate value, the field will turn red and you will be informed that this shortcut key is already assigned. In order to save your changes, you must enter in a unique value. Moving on down to the group Actions Available During an Active Takeoff, we will see two additional options for how the shortcut key behaves: press keys and hold keys. So for uncounted points, I have changed its behavior to press keys. What this means is that once I press the Shift button, uncounted mode will be activated and remain activated until I press the Shift key again. In turn, disconnected length measurement is set to hold keys. By holding the G key for the duration of the draw, disconnected mode will be active. Once I release the G key, disconnected mode will be disabled. And then finally, we have groups which allow you control over your drawings, such as viewing the next drawing, previous drawing, and modifying views. And under Tools, we have options for panning your drawing, copying, pasting, setting active layer and style, adding to run, and enabling and disabling crosshairs. Once you have made your changes, click Save Changes, and at any point you can reset to defaults by clicking the Reset to Defaults button and going back to the drawing canvas. At any point you want to review your current keyboard shortcuts and their assignments. On your keyboard, press Shift ? Which will bring up a list of the various functions and their current key mappings. And to demonstrate press versus hold, I'm going to start a length run. I'm going to hold the G key, and so long as I hold the G key, I remain in disconnected mode. Now I'm going to release the G key, and I'm going back into my normal takeoff mode. So for press, I'm going to start my new run. I press the Shift key once, and I don't hold it. And every point placed is uncounted. By hitting the Shift key again, I disable uncounted mode, and the points are placed in a counted state.